installing a new breed Fz-09 stunt cage. I had to build a spacer. It's about 1.5 inches long. It goes in there because this thing can't get much, maybe an 1/8 inch closer, but 1.5 inches off is pretty bad there. And on top of that, there's nowhere to mount the reservoir. The reservoir used to go in that hole, and that hole. And online there's tabs for it to remount right here. And that's not on here at all. I completely forgot to weld those on there.
Kind of, sort of. Good enough.
Making progress. I'm gonna redo that spacer. Focus you. Got the reservoir mounted. It's coming along. Good thing I'm capable of doing this, because average Joe would never get this on. Installed. Had a few issues though. Maybe I didn't specify. Maybe it was a bad communication. But basically, this was 1 inch. I mean, from the inside, you know, it's, I don't know. That's a pretty good gap there. This spacer here is 1.5 inches, and it's sitting bottomed out in the frame, nice and tight. I had to find a different bolt. I had to find a different bolt here too. Made my own little aluminum spacer with a stainless washer. So it sits in there nice. And then this, I didn't have a bracket here for my reservoir, so I had to fabricate a bracket for this. And yeah, so that wasn't on there. I had to look at pictures and figure out that had to be moved over and whatnot. Other side went on real good though. I mean, it's little tweaks. I put your spacers in there, and so yeah, it's nice. It's sturdy. I gotta put your deals back in, and then, you know, for whatever reason, the space in this bar here is about I don't know, a little over 1 inch in there. Kind of see it, but overall, it's we're gonna run it. We're gonna make it work. So it is what it is. I wish I didn't have to do all that, and I think the average guy would have sent this back. But we're gonna see what it's like. The sub cage went in good, just no pucks. Call them pucks, sliders, whatever the hell you want on hard plastic. It's on there. Oh, there's no place to mount this. I probably will fabricate something so I don't have to zip tie. Zip tie is kind of chinchy. Works. It ain't going anywhere. Finally got it installed, painted. Spacers are in there. This side's working now. Bumper, slider, puck deal back in. Reservoir in its new bracket position. Got it all on there. Installed. We have to move it over. The one they sent me didn't come with any brackets, so I had to weld my own. And then this side was no brainer. This side fit pretty good. I'm not going to complain about that fit. Bit of black, sleeve pipe in the middle down here on the connecting joint showing, but worry about that later.